Hello, hello. Where am I looking? Over there? Oh, I got started fixing my Xbox. The CD tray. Oh, that's a great thing. I probably should have recorded that. But the tray wasn't working. I opened it, saw some string in there, and removed the string. Working CD tray, but I didn't connect the front panel correctly, so now the power button doesn't work, but I just use the controller. So, I got a little bit of this drinking sauce here. A little bit of sauce. Let's get into it. Yeah. Soda's warm. That was a mistake. Okay. So I used to be one of these guys. Lyft driver. And I figured it'd be pretty cool to see what's inside this. I don't really have anywhere to prop this stuff up, so I'll just have to show you as I go. Hopefully nothing falls out. I've already started. My trusty spoder. It's a clip thing. So actually, nope. It's not ready. It's not ready just yet. I can't turn it off. Screws here. I finally understand why it's so difficult for these people to do these videos in which they have to show the viewer, you there, show the viewer what they're doing, either for proof that they're not cheating. So we got a couple lenses here. I don't want to separate too easily. Alright, so and a diffuser. Sorry about the notifications. Next time I'll remember to turn them off. Nice little battery in there. I think we can repurpose this for my Bluetooth headphones. I'm sorry, Bluetooth speakers. And it appears there's our LEDs. Can you focus? Camera does what it wants. Is it focusing on my face? Doug. Anyways, let's continue taking this apart. Looks like this holds the charging apparatus down. Let me disconnect the battery. So we'll do this there. Tiny filament for the button. This is very unentertaining, I'm sure. Let me go ahead and I assume it's glued down. Rip the lithium battery out there. Space Ghost shares my disgust. Someday I'll get a real camera and do this. Sweet battery, eh? Alright, so looks like we have some weights in here. Or actually, I already threw it out. The magnet that goes on the bottom here. I think these are for the magnets. Alright, before I break my face, let me just see if I can grab that magnet very quickly. couldn't find the magnet, but I got the elusive Bucky cubes. Yeah, it's the magnet for the base. And I noticed, good toys. I noticed, there's my bag of toys. I'll show you guys this nonsense. Call this a vlog or glorious, glorious entertainment. Toys. This little Asian satchel. You know I got more of these magnets though. I got magnets for days. Where do I keep my magnets, everyone asks? Crown Royal bag. Alright. What I want to do with you guys here is get the light on. So I'm going to reconnect the battery. I'm telling you, when you get started with electronics, ooh, gosh, it just flashed at me. Alright. I think it's going to be my new bike light. So that... it, then look at it, makes the glowing stash. I'm not going to clip it back together because got other plans here. It doesn't make sense how this thing turns on and off. It has a weird battery, weird button. Figure that out. And back here is this. This is where you push, but I think it's like a flexi thing. A flexi thing! And there's even more. There's even more controls down here. I guess I should open this up. Obviously, we're not retaining any of the screws. Not trying to repair this. Just take it apart for our own edification. Oh, the controller is for the charger. Here we go. I don't know. It's kind of shady to see, but it's got like 2 notches inside there. One notch here, one notch here, one of those half circular type situations. Am I going to be able to do this? No, that's just ridiculous to try. Stab myself. Hey, stab myself anyways, alright. Trying to push this through the hole. Okay. So we come to the center of the... I don't even know what that is. Just for proof, this is actual Lyft equipment here. I don't know what kind of switch this is. A one-wire switch. It almost looks like it's a photo sensor. I am sorry about this. It's terrible. I'm gonna do the thing. Of course, they're not even gonna listen to me. It's the front camera. What can I do? The back camera, I can't do it with this phone. So, this is the internals. Battery. 3.7 volts. 560 milliamp hours. I don't know what I could use this for, but look at that, eh? This thing lights up too. I think, okay, no, yeah. There's two lights on this. This acted as a ring to show that the device was on from the back. You'd see it around this button. So I think it is two LEDs, but all this controller board for LEDs? I mean, it can flash. It has 3 modes. In fair, flashing to let you know that let the person know that you come to your car, and off. All this circuitry for that. Oh, it's really tiny. Touching this. Let's see. And it's pressure sensitive. Boy. So actually flexing that button. We gotta figure out what this button does. We gotta go in there. Gotta go in there. Just glued down. Ooh. What's this now? Some people like, you're taking apart electronics, you're scared of the voltage from this. It's not that I'm scared of it, it's just I'm cautious to see what this board can do. I don't want to get unexpected heat, I don't know. Is it really a flexy thing? It is a flexy thing. One of those pressure pads. That's the pulse. It's capacitive. What can we do with a capacitive light switch? It is capacitive, right? I'm gonna lose my nuts here. And yes, it was as difficult to turn on and off when I was driving with the thing. Brrr. I didn't squeeze, I just held it. I'm gonna bother my little sister with this.